Happy Monday, guys. Hope you guys had a good weekend, safe weekend. Just wanted to show you my progress on my garage. I had it set up like a store. So I had it to where people could walk around in a circle. Then I would sit here, take the money. And I got my casinos. I'm going to put these on Facebook. My casino signs. I got all my tools. I'm going to pack all this up, put the lids on them, stack them up here. I got a little stack so far. I got some stuff I think I'm gonna put on eBay. I'm gonna lot up the DVDs. The VHS, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave them there for now. See what I do. See where it goes. All my tools. I got tons of tools. Let me see if I can turn. Give you guys a flash. There you go. I got all those tools there. I got that full of some tools. That's full of tools. That's full of tools. That's just some utility stuff. I still got all my Easter stuff. So yeah, I got still some work ahead of me. But I'm gonna pack all this stuff up. Look at all these plates I have. All these collectible plates. My wife thinks I should take pictures of these and put them on Facebook. But who's gonna want to pick up a $5 plate? Well, this is cups out of plate. But right, who's gonna pick up a $5 stack of plates? I got this nice Sony radio with surround sound. This comps on this one was like 50, 60 bucks. But again, who am I gonna sell it to? Got a bunch of stuff down there. That's a vintage sewing kit from like 1960. I got some fake fruit, some homemade compressors. I still got that's my drone landing pad, which I'm still waiting to save up some more money so I could get my DJI. And I got tons and tons of books. I still got my hatchets, more books. So yeah, taking a break today. I did a lot yesterday. Kind of hurt my back, so I got all my collectibles there. I got my I threw away. Look at, I threw a bunch of stuff away. That's all. That's our cardboard. Just tons of stuff I threw away. All that stuff over there is ours. I really need to get more shelves too. That's all ours. That's all ours. That's more stuff for eBay here. So I got tons of stuff to post. That's my tool bag down there. All that stuff, all those tools in that tool bag I got for free. I think maybe I paid for like 1 or 2 tools. And then there's Lola. Say hi, Lola. Lola's just my little shadow. Love this stupid dog. Anyways, let's see. I got more collectible plates, tons of CDs, pictures. What is that? That's a hockey sign. Mark Messenger. Excuse me for screwing up the name. Pictures on pictures. Oops, sorry. That's a Black Label picture. That's a Marilyn Monroe, if you could see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just screwed it up. Okay. I'll do another video tomorrow. Show you guys my progress. I got tons. I got the CDs here. I think I have another box full of like 100 CDs with the case. So yeah. Well, that's about it, guys. Just, oh, look at this, my finger. Sorry about that. Gonna give you guys seizures. Anyways, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Good or bad comments, I'll take them all. Hope you guys are liking the videos. I'm still waiting for my Pirates Booty box to come in the mail to do an unboxing. Remember, I'm doing that unboxing. I'm going to do some sports card unboxing. And if you subscribe, I'm going to do a 200 subscriber giveaway. And it's going to be something worth $30. It's going to be a $30 Amazon card or something that I have in here that's collectible for $30. But we'll see. So you guys have a great Sunday. You guys have a great Monday. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.